Hello, I'm Gabe Toth, and welcome to my virtual online music studio. I've been in the music industry for 38 years, with my first job being at 11 years old as a church organist. And throughout the years, I've done many things, such as played on cruise ships, was a music director for cruise ships, played on Broadway, off-Broadway. I've played in churches, cathedrals as a church organist choir director. I played in rock bands. I backed the Monkees at the end of their 2000 anniversary tour and worked with notable names such as Mickey Dolenz, Davy Jones, Adrian Zmed, Brian Faldudo, Anthony Zoss, Michael Blevins, John Patitucci, and Gary Van Skilk, and Adrian Zmed, to name a few. I'd like to take a moment to explain to you that I would like to take everything that I've learned over the years, and if you would like to learn the piano, vocals, guitar, bass, trumpet, drum kit, I've played all of those at a professional level. I would not teach an instrument that I do not know how to play or have not played professionally. Music is my passion. Teaching is my passion. I've taught also for over 25 years on and off. And as I said, a musician in the industry wearing many different hats for 38 years. And I tailor the lessons to your needs and wants. We have fun, but yet I hold you accountable, and we progress weekly, and you will learn music very quickly, efficiently, and while having fun. Hope to see you. Sign up for a lesson soon. Have a great day.